Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a set of 20 by 12 Moto 962 wheels in a chrome finish and some 35 1250 R20 Patriot mud terrain tires. I'm also wearing some Authentic City Church merch. If you go to AuthenticCity.church, go to the merch section, you can order one of these shirts. Also, look at them on YouTube, watch one of their messages, watch some of their worship, give them a like, give them a follow, whatever you're supposed to do on social media. But back to the wheels. So these Moto 962 wheels, these are a classic. They have been one of the most popular selling wheels for the last 4 years, and it serves them right because it's just a classic wheel. They offer it in a black and milled finish and a chrome finish. They offer it in so many different sizes. They offer it in a 17 by 10, an 18 by 9, an 18 by 10, an 18 by 12, a 20 by 9, a 20 by 10, a 20 by 12, and a 22 by 12 and a 22 by 14. They should also offer it in a 22 by 10, but I'm not positive. Now this tire and wheel combo, it is a 12-inch wide wheel on a 12.5-inch wide tire. So the tire is stretched to the wheel, which does not provide a lot of protection from curbs. So if you're looking for some curb protection, then I'd recommend going with a 9 or a 10 wide wheel, because then your tires will come over and kind of protect it from any curb rash possibilities in the future. These Patriot mud terrain tires, I personally have not ridden in a vehicle with them. However, when we balanced them on the machine, they asked for an average of about 6.5 or 7 ounces, which is a little bit more than what I like. However, at the price point that these tires come, it's kind of expected. They're not the worst balancing tires I've ever seen, but they're not the best as well. But that also comes with the price point. So the tread doesn't look too aggressive. It looks very similar to like a Federal mud terrain tire. So I'm sure it'll just be your typical mud terrain tire ride. It's a very heavy and dense tire. The Fury Country Hunters are a relatively light tire. This weighs about an extra 50% than the Fury. So they might last well on like a half-ton truck that tows, but I don't really know. Besides that, I believe the retail suggested price point is somewhere in the $250 range, which for a fully MSRP tire at $250, that's a great price point. Besides that, if you have any questions, please feel free to go to our website, central-alps.com. Look around, see if you can find anything that you like. If you have any questions, leave us a comment or shoot us an email or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. And besides that, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.